Hello everyone, this is Box to Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to show you a review of dress we made for Inga. This is not actually a dress. This is a blouse and a skirt. There is a bias yoke in the skirt. The bottom of the skirt is asymmetric. I've already showed you how to make such skirts. Watch the video if you haven't done it yet. The skirt is slightly flared. This detail ends with the two angles. This is how they look like. They make the skirt look absolutely amazing. The blouse was made on the basis of the 10 measurement cutting system. There is a yoke on the front. It goes to the back and ends with two seams. The seams are edged with the flounce. The flounce looks absolutely gorgeous. It ends with an angle on the front. I love it. The sleeves are made of net. The color of net perfectly matches the color of jersey fabric. I love this skirt suit. Inga can wear this skirt with different blouses. I think that she can even wear these blouses with different bottoms. Anyway, they look best together. The skirt suit is made of jersey fabric. The fabric is of a very high quality. Unfortunately, it's hard to find fabrics of such quality in shops. The fabric is pretty strong, so it's convenient to work with it. You know that jersey fabrics are usually soft. The net matches the fabric perfectly. There is a seam on the center front. Due to the fact that we made a seam on the center front, we could avoid making waist tucks. The blouse makes Inga look much slimmer. I'm not going to show you the wrong side of this skirt suit. There's nothing interesting in it. The skirt suit is not even lined. I've already showed you how to make such skirts. We made them without yokes, but it's not hard to make them. I showed you how to make a dark blue skirt with a beige facing. Watch the video if you haven't done it yet. What am I shooting these videos for? I want to share my knowledge with you, and I want you to learn something new and useful. This skirt suit is very beautiful, but at the same time it's very convenient. Inga can wear it both to work and for a special occasion. You can make sleeves of lace or some other light fabrics. They will also look very beautiful. You can edge the details with lace. Just try to find lace of matching color. Use your imagination. What's the most important? Basic pattern, chest darts, center front seam instead of the waist tucks, sleeves made of net, flounce. The asymmetric skirt is flared. I want to thank Inga for taking part in my videos. I know that it's not easy for her. I'd rather show you most of the clothes we sew for myself and Inga. It seems like it's interesting for you. I don't know why, but each time we show Inga on my Russian channel, we get a lot of negative feedback. I think that the people who write such comments don't look at themselves in the mirror. Always think about yourselves first. Modern fashion allows us wearing almost anything we want. People are different. Some like long garments, some short. Some like baggy clothes and some close-fitting. Some wear only trousers and some only skirts. We are all different. It's absolutely okay. I want you to not be afraid of experiments. You should care only about what you think and how you feel. Don't think about other people. Today I showed you a review of this amazing dress. Inga is going to a concert of classic music today. I think that the outfit is perfect for the occasion. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. We're Irina and Inga. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.